So you've already done it, the judgment sample, looking at them, deciding based on your own judgment what you think best represents that. Whatever methods, you might pick a range of different ones that represent large to small, or you might pick the same one that appears most regularly or anything like that, but that's a judgment sample. For those of you that have done the simple random sample, we have to use a random number generator to choose 5 rectangles at random. Can any one of you tell me what your 5 random numbers were?
For simple?
Yeah.
8, 8,
Oh,
8,
let me just
1.
change this. So the actual random numbers though, not the areas. Right. Can someone do it for me then? Random number generator. I'm doing the one that is the second one. Number 1 to 100. Use a random to choose 5 rectangles. So I've got a random number of 1. So there's my first one. Next, 22. Where's my 22? There's 22.
87.
87. That's down there. 16. Yeah. 75. Okay, so there's my selections then. I would work out the areas. The cluster random sample. Lines drawn every 2 inches, divided rectangles. So first of all, did you get that you number the regions 1 to 5? You pick a random number between 1 and 5. Can someone do that for me? Pick a random number between 1 and 5. What? 4. So 4 would be my region that I'm looking at. I would then number the rectangles. So I better do this. Then use a random number generator to select between 1 and 23. So go on then. 2. 13. 17. 16. One more. 21. Okay. So that's my cluster. And then we're doing the stratified. You'll hear this word. Anyone get where the word stratify comes from? You kind of made that link. Anyone in geography or heard the word stratus or strata or stratosphere? Or do you know what it means? That word? Well, strategy as well. It's about layers. So strategy is about having a process, having a plan. Stratosphere, yeah, layers. Strata in the ground is layers. Stop putting notes on people's backs, girls, even if it is your own. I'll use names next time. All right, so with the stratified samples, it's where they all get sorted small to large. Number the rectangles in each region. Use a random number generator to use 1 rectangle at random from each region. Okay, so can I have first off a random number between 1 and 18? 1. Another one between 1 and 22?
12.
12. Another one between 1 and 20? 20. Another one between 1 and 20 again?
7.
7. Another one between 1 and 20 again?
14.
12. Okay, so they would be mine for the stratified. And then finally, we go back to page 2, don't we? Back to page 2, and it says, use a systematic method. So you only pick the first one. All right. What would can someone pick the first one for me?
E6.
Pardon?
No,
It's got to be between 1 and 20.
3.
3. Okay. So now with that, I've got to go every count on 20. So I've got 3, followed by 23, wherever that is. I'm struggling. There's 23, followed by 43. Where's 43? 63, 83. Okay, so they're my ones for the systematic. Right, so have we all done them all?
Yeah.
Okay. Just so that I've got some numbers to put in here. So can one person tell me their judgment numbers? Go on, Sienna.
10, 16, 10, 8, and 5.
And what was your mean?
9.8.
9.8. Okay. Can someone else tell me the result of their simple random? 0? 8 and 6. What was your mean? 3.5. 3.8. Okay. Sam then, cluster.
1, 5, 1, 4, 1.
And the mean?
2.4.
Bella, stratified.
12, 4, 5, 9, 18.
And the mean?
9.6.
And then the systematic. Anyone? Sam again then.
1, 1, 9, 3,
The mean is
4.8.
4.8. Okie doke. So have we all got our own values for all of those, yeah? Right. What do you notice about those mean values? There's not going to be a pattern, it's just different ways of doing it. Are they all similar? Has anyone got them where they're all similar? Yeah? Relatively similar? We don't know what one is best yet, do we? So what you're going to need to do is
Find the actual mean.
find the actual mean of all of them. Let's try that. Let's see which one has come closest.
Yay!
Why don't you work as a team?
Yeah, wait, what?
All you have to do is add up them all and divide by 100. So what's the actual mean?